Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 8th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So we had FOMC interest rate news last night, and they did not change interest rate, but the U.S. dollar itself is definitely taking it as positive for the U.S. dollar. And that means that there's more than likely this is not going to just keep on trending down like I thought. More than likely, after reevaluating this, I think what happened here is we have a running ABC of B, a higher high and then higher high. So that's a running ABC of B, and then more than likely this is going to go up to probably at least a 61% to finish off the wave C before it actually continues the downtrend. So unfortunately, that is what I think is going to happen. I mean, it may not be unfortunate, but going down to the 1 hour time frame, I still have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here, just in case, because these should be areas of resistance. These are areas where we potentially could see a bounce. And if the market bounces at these areas, that's actually great news for us because that should give us opportunities to go long at the end of the bounces, especially if they're three-way pullbacks, hopefully for the continuation of what is probably a wave C, just like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.